Hey everybody, welcome to Shawn's Early Broncos. Today's video is going to be about tools. I just picked up this new creeper online through Amazon. I can provide you guys a link down below. And it's just going to be a quick short video talking about it. I'm sure most of you have probably already had a creeper before, but I have not. Believe it or not, I've been crawling up underneath this Bronco for the last 10 years. And enough is enough. It's time for me to move on. And so I used to have this bad boy right here. Still have it, I guess you could say. And I've had this for probably about 15 years. I believe I got this at Harbor Freight, I think. But it still works great, but not for going underneath the vehicle. So I picked this up here. And this is the ProLift Z Creeper seat. Just got it in, mail like everything from Amazon comes in. And then inside the box, you have your instructions, of course, that people usually don't read. And then it comes with a little tiny wrench, the hardware, of course, a little bag of hardware, and then 6 wheels. And don't mind the other mess. I'm still working on the hood stuff. If you haven't seen any of the hood videos yet, make sure to check those out. I can provide links for those as well. But what you're going to need is a 9/16. You could either do an open end wrench, like so, and then a 1/2 inch. So I have a 1/2 inch, and then I just threw it on my impact here. 9/16. I also have an extension here in case I decide I want to use it. I basically just softly put it all together just so I could show you guys the hardware and how it works. But it's pretty simple. Let's move this over here. There's just a pin on this side right here. Just pull the pin, and it drops down. Which I think is pretty snazzy, so you have both a chair and you have a creeper together. My only complaint from an unboxing is this little wrench. The little wrench works as the 1/2 inch, which is great, but the outside is actually, works as the 9/16. But it doesn't work for the 1/2 inch that's inside. So that kind of defeats the purpose. And it doesn't come with an Allen wrench, which is used for the wheels. So yeah, just like I said, it just comes in a little bag of hardware and then 6 wheels. And then of course you just pull this pin, raise it up, drop it into place. It's good for up to 300 pounds, and I'm a big guy, so I don't know, I might show another video later after I've used it for quite a while and see how well I like it, but so far all the hardware seems to be pretty solid. Nothing to complain about at this moment, and it probably took me 5 minutes just to kind of put all the washers, and it did actually have a few extra washers, unless I forgot something. But just to mount all the hardware and put it together, because it does come apart. And yeah, that's about it. Short video, like I said. If you haven't seen any of my videos, this is not all that I do. I'm just providing some feedback and some just little information tools on stuff I use. And so, but I do mostly stuff based on this Bronco that's sitting here behind me, any kind of like installs or removals and stuff like that. So if you haven't been following us up to this point, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see the new videos coming out. We have the suspension, we have steering parts, we have the rest of the hood stuff if you haven't seen those videos, a whole bunch of things coming up in the works. And so that's about it. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time. Bye guys.